Today, we'll be discussing iPhone security and showing you a step-by-step guide on how to detect and remove malware. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone security tips. Point 1. Recognize the sign of malware. First, let's learn how to recognize the sign of malware. These include unexplained battery drain, increased data usage, unwanted pop-up ads or redirects, and lastly, slow performance or frequent crash. Point 2. Update your iPhone. You can keep your iPhone updated to protect against non-security threats. To do this, open the Setting apps and then tap on General, choose Software Update, and then you can turn on Automatic Update. From here, you can toggle on Download iOS Update and install iOS Update. You can also turn on Security Responses and System File here. Point number 3. You can remove any suspicious apps. Next, you can remove any suspicious app that could be causing issue. How to do this? Follow this step. You can press and hold the app icon that you think is suspicious. Then, you can tap on Remove App. After that, you can confirm it by tapping Delete App. Then, your selected app will be deleted from your iPhone. Point number 4. Use an antivirus app. Consider using a reputable antivirus app to scan your iPhone for malware. Some popular options include Avast, Norton, and McAfee. You can find it and get this application on App Store. Lastly, point number 5. Reset your iPhone. If all else fails, you may need to reset your iPhone. Remember, before that, to back up your data before proceeding. Here's how to reset your iPhone. Open Setting and then tap General. You can scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone here. You can tap on this and select Erase all content and setting. And that's it. The content about how to detect and remove malware on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. We hope this step help you keep your iPhone secure from malware. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone security tips. See you next time and have a nice day.